Supercharge your English learning with online quizzes. Hello, fellow language learners. Today, we're going to dive into a really exciting part of our English learning journey: online quizzes and assessments. These tools are amazing because they're interactive, easy to use, and they can drastically boost your comprehension and retention. So, let's dive in. Online quizzes and assessments are tools designed to evaluate your understanding of a particular subject. For our purpose, they are tests set up on internet platforms, which focus on various aspects of English language learning. They could be on grammar, vocabulary, listening skills, reading comprehension, and yes, even daily routines and habits in conversational English. Remember, these quizzes aren't meant to intimidate you. They're there to help gauge your progress, highlight areas for improvement, and make your learning process more engaging. Online quizzes are more than just tests. They are a crucial part of the learning process. They help reinforce what you've learned by prompting your brain to recall information, thus aiding memory. Additionally, they allow you to apply what you've learned in a practical manner. Take, for example, a quiz on daily routines and habits in conversational English. After studying different expressions and phrases, a quiz might give you a scenario where you have to choose the right phrase to use. This tests not only your memory but also your understanding of how to use the phrase in context. Now, how exactly should you use online quizzes? Well, it's simple. After each study session or topic, take a quiz related to what you've just studied. This immediate reinforcement helps to cement the information in your brain. Also, don't shy away from retaking quizzes. If you didn't perform as well as you'd like, review your materials and take the quiz again. This iterative process is actually a powerful learning method. Finally, try to find quizzes that provide instant feedback. This way, you not only know your score but also understand your mistakes and how to correct them. What makes online quizzes and assessments particularly helpful? Firstly, they're flexible. You can take them at any time and from anywhere. All you need is an internet connection. Secondly, they're varied. There are numerous online platforms offering quizzes on every topic imaginable in English language learning. This means you can always find quizzes that suit your learning needs. Thirdly, they're engaging. The interactive nature of online quizzes can make learning more fun and less of a chore. So there you have it. Online quizzes and assessments are a powerful tool in your English learning toolkit. They offer a fun, interactive way to review and reinforce your learning, making sure that all that new vocabulary and those phrases stick. Keep in mind, persistence is key. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Happy studying, and we'll see you in the next video.